Welcome to Talkio. In this video, we'll walk you through the app Progress Tracker and show you how it helps you monitor your language learning journey. On your main dashboard, you'll see your progress and show how much you have improved. It's a quick way to see how far you've come at a glance. The conversation assessment in the daily session provides a detailed analysis of your language practice during chats or conversations. This feature helps you understand how effectively you're using the language and offers insights to refine your skills. Every Monday in each week, you'll receive a weekly assessment report, which summarizes your progress. This report highlights areas to focus on, whether it's vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation, and provides helpful feedback for continuous improvement. Be sure to check the progress section in the weekly assessment report every Monday to stay informed, so you know what to improve next in your language learning journey. With Talkio's Progress Tracker, you'll always have a clear view of your learning journey. Thank you for watching.